Hello and welcome to Web Math Academy. In the previous tutorial, we showed how data can be arranged into a scatter plot, and then we used the TI-Nspire CAS calculator to find a best fit linear line to that data. But the TI-Nspire calculator can be used for even more. Best fit curves can be used to fit quadratic, cubic, power, exponential, and logarithmic data too. Let's look at two of these here, the quadratic and the exponential. A quadratic equation is in the form x squared plus x plus n, where n is a real number. So I have some data laid out here that we're going to use to find a best fit line, and the important thing we have to remember is to label the axes. So I'm going to do that. This will be the x-axis, or let's call it by its fancy mathematical term, the abscissa. And then the y-axis, the fancy mathematical term for that, is the ordinate. Okay, now we can go and plot our scatter plot. So we go with the on, and we hit the graph button. And then for the x-axis, that's the abscissa, we'll choose that. And then over here, the y-axis, the ordinate, we'll choose that. And there's our scatter plots. Now, just like with the linear line, we follow the same procedures to get a best fit line. We go to Menu, Analyze, and then we go to a regression. And instead of going show linear like we did last time, we're going to say show quadratic. And there is the best fit line. And it gives you the equation for it, 1x squared plus 1. This is a very easy example because all the data points fit exactly on this line. Let's go back to the data and just change it a little bit. Like for 3, we'll change this 10 to an 11. We'll change the 17 to a 16. We'll change the 26 to a 28. And go back to the graph. We just click here on 1.2. And there's the best fit line for that data. You can see some of it lies off to the side a little bit, but mainly on it. And it's a little more complicated of an equation. 1.125x squared minus 0.396x plus 1.17857. That is the quadratic best fit line. And now on to our exponential equation. In an exponential equation, the x value is in the exponent, so that we have the form n to the x power, where n is any real number. So back again over here, I have another list of data to use to find the best fit line to. So we're going to remember to go to the on button and graph, and we're going to click here for the abscissa, the x-axis, and here just as before, the ordinate for the y-axis. And there's our data, and we're going to fit a line to it by going to Menu, Analyze, Regression, and this time we're going to say Show Exponential. And there it is. Y equals 1.409 times 1.90 to the x power. You can see that line fits pretty well. So your Texas Instruments Inspired calculator can be used very easily to make best fit lines of pretty much any equation you would want to check. If you have any questions on this, make sure to check us out at our website, webmathacademy.com, and give us a like if you enjoy the video. Thank you.